how to log in to Telegram Web using Telegram app. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to web.telegram.org. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, on your Android, open the Telegram app. Now tap Profile on bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Now tap Devices. Now tap Link or Add Device. If prompted, allow the camera permission. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer and scan it. Once the QR code is scanned, Telegram will instantly log you into Telegram Web on your PC. You can also check your active sessions in the Devices section and sign out of any device whenever you want by tapping Terminate Session. Oh, that's it. You've successfully connected Telegram to your computer using Telegram Web. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.